Hi, my name's Adam from the Tech Support Department at Cairn Research, and today I'm going to show you how to install a 75 watt lamp into our Cairn Lamp House. So first of all, we need to remove the 6 silver screws in the lid. There's 4 on the lid and 2 at the side, so we'll go right ahead and remove those. Once these have been removed, we can remove the lid and proceed with installing the lamp. So firstly, you'll notice that the anode arm is sellotaped to the side of the lamp house to stop it from flapping around in shipping. So we'll go right ahead and remove that. Once that's been removed, you'll see underneath the output there is a black knurled thumb screw. If we remove that, and then we've got a 2.5mm Allen key. If we insert it through the hole in the front and locate it with the black screw inside, we can loosen that off, take the screwdriver back out and lift the base lamp holder out. Once this has been removed, we can go right ahead and install our lamp. So first things first, you must always make sure you wear protective eyeglasses as these lamps are pressurised and they can crack or shatter, which obviously we don't want that. So we'll put these on. So firstly, what you need to do is remove the lamp from the case. Now please bear in mind that you cannot touch the glass on the lamp as this can leave residue and it will affect the output of the lamp and also the life of the lamp as well. So first things first, we get the lamp holder base and we can insert the lamp into that, like so. And please have the thumb screw facing the front and the nodule on the lamp facing the back. Once that's in, we can slacken off the thumb screw, align it properly, tighten it up, and there we go. So then what we can do is if we hold the anode arm with the arm facing to the right hand side, we can align it onto the top of our lamp, like so. And then what we can do is go right ahead and tighten it up. Once that's been done, you can insert the lamp holder base back into the bottom of the lamp holder. With our 2.5mm Allen key, we can go right ahead and tighten that back up. Please make sure that the red cable isn't anywhere near the reflector, so we can pull that out of the way just to stop any further problems. And what we can do is we can put our lid back on, insert the 6 screws again, and we're done. But please note that if you're buying a replacement lamp and you already have an existing lamp house, you'll need to burn it in for a minimum of 5 hours before turning the power supply off, and once it's switched off, please allow it to cool fully before starting the lamp again. And also please reset the hours on the clock on the lamp. If you have a new lamp house and new lamp bought from us, this will all be done for you, so you can skip this step. Thank you very much for watching.